All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018. That's right, folks. This car is a 2018 Chevy Camaro. It is the SS model. It's beautiful silver with black interior, sunroof, alloy wheels, dual exhaust system, backup camera. Super, super nice. Only 3,000 miles on this beauty. Best of all, minimum damage around the body. Looks good. Let me go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Does have a heavy scratch right there, less than an inch, but it is there to bump the size of my nail. All right. Rest of the hood looks good. Your fender here looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. As you can see, it is curved up. The tire thread here is at a little bit above 430 seconds. Let's turn on the light. Boom. Little line above 430 seconds. Let me double check it. I'm not cheating anybody. Yeah, I'll say 430 seconds and under. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. This rear quarter looks pretty good. I don't see any dings, dents, anything up there. It's a fancy cars. I like to look at them a little bit more. Rear driver's rim, it is curved up. And your tire thread is likewise like the other one, less than 10-30 seconds. Let me double check that. That's right, less than 10-30 seconds there. Your roof, and what that looks like. I don't see any things, dents, or anything up there. There's your sunroof. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. It is a powered seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. The rear passenger seat, likewise, no holes, no tears, no rips. Before I jump into this vehicle, this car does come with 2 key fob combos. Boom. And owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Push start system. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Let that bad boy turn on. Boom. Got your backup camera. Pow. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your steering wheel controls on this side, as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, in your mileage of 3,894 miles. It's good. Open up the trunk, little button here. Coming around, your rear bumper looks fantabulous. Your trunk looks nice. Does have a beautiful rear spoiler. Trunk space looks pretty nice. You got spare tire. These do not come with spare tire, but it does have your owner's manuals back there. This quarter looks pretty good. Yes, it does. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing, less than an inch there. And your tire thread here is less than 430 seconds. Double checking. Yep, less than 430 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Here's your the front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat as well. And your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. In case I didn't show you guys from the inside, that's what that bad boy looks like. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. I don't see curbing on this one. And your tire thread is at 430 seconds. Lights are working. Car is running. Things look super, super nice. Super, super nice, folks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2018 Chevy Camaro SS Coupe with 3,000 miles. You guys have any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.